Alright, hey guys, today we're going to be changing our icon packs, alright? So this is how you change your icon pack. If you have a S20 or whatever it says on here, then you don't have to do all that. But anyway, if you have like a way to out of your phone, you want to change how it looks, a good thing to get. Anyway, so you have the app and you set it as your default and all that stuff it tells you to do. But anyway, you go to your all your apps. Just pick an app. Let's say I do music or something like that. Go to edit icon. You can change how it looks and everything. Like that's kind of cool. You look like that, however you want it. But anyway, you go to picture and go to photos or gallery. So now you're gonna go and pick your photo. I'm gonna go to all and I'm gonna pick this photo right here. It's gonna say crop. Just push the save button up there. And now you see it looks like that. You can change that as you saw before. Just gonna keep it like this. And you can change the name, make it My Music. You can make it just MP3 player, whatever you want to name it. Thanks for watching the video.